favorite sections, the craft sections. Oh, these are for making cakes. Oh, look, they got scissors. Let's see which one I'm gonna pick. And here are the DIY section. Oh, look how pretty this is. And let's see here. This is the crochet section. I have crochet, but I'm never gonna use it because it just makes me frustrated whenever I'm using it. I'd rather write it. Let's see. Yep, that's their making. And this is the machine here, if you can see. This is the Maker 3. And those are the measuring tools. Yeah, I'm not wearing anything microphone. I don't even have my headphone to use. I forgot my little tripod, my monopod. Yeah. Here the easy press. There's another one there, a little more bigger. That's how they use it. Camille. I have the crochet too, but it's so frustrating to use this thing. But here are the other craft things. But the most aisle that I really like is the next aisle where we were going. Oh, look, this is so pretty. And this is how much. That's how much it is. Yeah, this here is that much. So they're expensive. Anyway, let's go to my favorite section. My asawa, equip yourself life skills. I don't know where he is already. We separate our ways earlier when I went to the plant section. Well, here's my favorite. The crochet hooks and everything. I have one like this. This is a knitting needle. It's a circular knitting needle. I have some of those. I have those. You've seen it already. I've never get one of these knitting loom. I don't want to get any of those because it's just frustrating for me. I don't know. And here are the needles. See those knitting needles, crochet needles, crochet hooks. Ta-da! Yep, I got this kind of crochet hooks that when I first get one, I got this kind. If you can see, that's the first one I've got. My first day of crocheting here in United States. Ooh, this is so cute. Let me see. The crochet hoarder is back. Let me see. Okay, I'll use my other hand. Just a moment. It's so pretty. Ta-da! It is acrylic. See, that's acrylic and it has the glitters all over it. That's the sizes they got. It's 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 5.5, 6, 6.5 millimeter. So those are the crochet hooks. And there you go. I don't know if I wanted to get it. It's $7. Maybe I should get one, huh? I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, I think I dropped one of my thing. Yeah, it's at the bottom. I got, if you can remember, I have a bunch of these. So they're all here, but I bought mine in one pack. So, and here are the yarn sections, my favorite yarn section. Anyway, the yarn that I needed was up there. I can't reach it. I'm too short to get it. Anyway, I'll wait for my asawa to get in here, and I'm going to ask him to get it for me. But they don't have the other color that I needed here. They don't have the color yellow. Yep, they don't have the color yellow. That's the one I really need to get because my project needs to be done. These are my favorite colors here. This is mandala, and the color, where's the color here? Oh, here. It's color Nova. Yep, I like the color, but there's only 2. It's not enough for my project. So I'm not gonna get it, but they have plenty yarn here at the bottom. All right, let's see. Okay, I used to use this kind, but not the same brand. I use the expensive brand. Oh, here, there's the brand I really wanted to use. But if you can see the price, oh wow, it's so expensive already. Okay, so there's more here. The yarn that I really need is not here. It's Kaloka. But anyway, that's my favorite yarn. I have a bunch of this kind of yarn at home, so I really don't want to get some of this. Oops, sorry. Because I'm just gonna shop at my yarn stash, however they call it. There's a bunch of yarn at the top of the shelves, but it's just too high for me to grab, you know. So let's see here. I want to get one of these, but it's so expensive. See? But I really want to get one. It's just so pretty. See that? No, it's all right. I can live without it. Oh look, this is so pretty too. This is new ones. Well, I'm not always in the store, so from time to time, whenever I see something pretty, I always grab 1 or 2, but look how much it cost. It's just so expensive. I like this for a baby blanket. See, that's a little baby there, little girl. That's how this yarn will look like when you're done with your project. Anywho, I love the brand. This brand here, where's the brand name? That brand, I really like that brand because they really did a good job with their yarn. It's so soft. It fits in all of your projects. Anyway, there's more here, but these here are for anik-aniks. I call it anik-anik. you can use this. Sometimes I need to go somewhere to find the other things that I really need, but I think these are for coloring for kids. So yes, this is really what I really like, but they don't have much stock this time, so I don't know. Anyway, I think we're just gonna stop my video right here because it's getting too long. Maybe we're gonna just come back next time and see if they have more choices to choose from. But for this time, for today, thank you so much for watching, and please kindly consider subscribing in my channel. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye.